everyone, welcome. We're back making other kinds of videos other than advent calendars. So a couple weeks ago I got my BOXYCHARM Boxy pop-up order. So this is just a sale that they did where you get, I was a little late so I didn't get the greatest things, but you can get stuff for so cheap, Jason.
Yay.
So inexpensive. So let's see what we got. So here is my box, and it's filled with goodies. The first thing I got was...
So there, water.
It's a toner, actually.
Oh. Hey, if you shake that up... Oh, is there stuff settled in the bottom? Yeah.
No.
Oh, the other one you have kind of...
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
So this is a Coors Pomegranate Pore Refining Toner. And I got this for only $7. I think it was a heck of a good deal. Oh, it smells nice, like pomegranates. So that'll be nice.
Not edible.
Does it say not edible?
I don't know.
Not drinkable?
This is not a food product.
It's really hard to read. Anyway, so that was number one. Okay, next up, I got a Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So this is for pore refining. And this is for pore minimizing. And I have very big pores, so whatever I can do.
So is that an astringent?
No, it's a primer.
You said it's for pore minimizing.
It's a primer.
All right.
And I got this for $6. And it's a Dr. Brandt product.
Who's that?
So that is an excellent deal. That's a doctor named Dr. Brandt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's good products. Or she, I'm not sure. And then, what do we get? And then I got whatever this is. I've ordered this so long ago. So this is from Becca. And it is a soft light blurring powder in the shade Pink Haze. Not Purple Haze.
Pink haze all in my brain. Don't get it in your brain.
Wow. So it's just in a really nice
glassy jar
container.
thing.
Well, it's plastic, but still.
Is it a container within a container?
I'm not sure. No, it's just...
Oh, okay.
So that's really pretty. So, does it say what this is? What this does? A real-life wearable beauty filter that adds vibrancy to the complexion while it sets makeup and prolongs its wear. This soft, loose-setting powder blurs imperfections, eliminates excess shine, and graces skin with subtle luminosity and brightness.
Pink haze.
Oh my goodness. So I got this for, guess how much I got this for?
$700.
Only $10.
Oh, wow, that's good.
I think it's good. So it's pink, and that's what it looks like. Let's try and get a little bit out.
Your face will never look the same.
So it's definitely pink.
Bum, 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 bum.
Let us rub it into the skin.
Oh, it turns liquid, kind of. Is that because it's so finely ground, do you think?
Maybe. So it just gives a nice little shimmer to the skin.
Try not to breathe it in.
Yes, I know. You're very weird.
Well, you don't want
It's
to
like you want me to live forever.
Yeah.
So that is that. It's beautiful, and that'll just look nice on a shelf, I think. $10. Okay, next up, I've got a lip color from Smashbox. So this is an always-on liquid lipstick in the shade Deep Thoughts.
Deep Thoughts by Lipstick.
Smashbox.
Okay.
So it's in a pretty bottle. This is my first Smashbox lip color, I think. And
It's
this was $5.
Dark. Ooh,
Oh.
you touched your nose.
I always touch my nose. So I'm not wearing glasses, I have no depth perception.
You should be able to tell where your hands are, though.
So it is a very dark brown color. I don't know that it'll suit my skin tone, but
Put it on.
it was $5.
Put it on.
Okay, I'll try it on.
Looks like you ate chocolate too fast. Yeah, it looks bad.
What? Too dark?
Yeah. Well, maybe it's okay. I don't know.
It's not very flattering. It's kind of made me look like I'm dead now.
Yeah. Or like your mouth is an anus.
Wow. Wow. Okay, so you're not a fan, my love, of this color.
No.
I'm not a fan either. But maybe if I mix this and like put like a pinker like lip color on top, like a lip gloss, then it'll even out. Stop looking at it.
Go like this.
You're disgusting. I don't want you to live here anymore.
Right.
Okay, second last thing I got. Shocking. It's an eyeshadow palette. So this is from Ace Beauty, and it is the Classical Paradise palette. And it's part of our Paradise collection. It features 12 colors that can be used to create timeless looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest, smoothest application and the most excellent color payoff. That's how much I bought for this 12 pan eyeshadow day. That's how much this was.
$12.
$9.
Oh wow.
I know.
Did you
Gotta
select
shop
all the
sales,
things?
people.
Did you select all the things?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
$9 for an eyeshadow palette.
Yeah, that's good.
So, and there's the colors. They're beautiful. Aren't they beautiful?
Yes.
Should we swatch them?
3 or 4 of them.
Let's swatch this purple soil color.
That orange one.
Oh, vegetation. And one more.
Yellow.
The maze.
Yeah.
Maze.
Maze.
Oh, there's. You can see you. I just saw you. I don't know where it went. So these colors went on beautifully. Like, look at that yellow.
Yeah, I like it.
And that craft dinner orange. Those will probably make some really nice summer looks. So I'm very impressed with that for $9, Jason.
Yeah.
$9. I'll have to Google the prices and see what the retail value is.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed with that. And so that was $9. And our last thing is also, guess what? An eyeshadow palette. Because I don't have enough. So this is also Ace Beauty and the Paradise Fallen.
You need to take that lipstick off.
So this is also part of the Paradise collection. So Paradise Fallen, and what was the other one? Classical Paradise. I just have to take off my lipstick apparently. I removed it as best I could, Jason.
Yeah.
It's one of those long wear. Okay, so back to this palette, which was also $9. So in total, I spent $46 before taxes and shipping, which isn't bad for all these things.
It's a lot of things. Oh, those are nice, deep, dark colors.
Look at those colors. Those are beautiful. Which one should
A lot of purple variants.
Which one should we try? I'm gonna do it this way on my other hand. Which one should we?
Is that one called Onion? Orion, the Goldie looking one.
Orion.
Okay, Orion, Moonglow, and
That's boring. Not Moon.
Tempest or whatever.
How
Twilight.
about Shadow?
Twilight.
And okay, fine.
Why not Moonglow?
Because it's boring. So here are our colors. One. Ooh.
Oh wow.
That's dark. Ooh.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, I'm
Very rich colors.
They're very rich colors and they swatch really well. And they're nice big pan size too.
Is that how you put eyeshadow on? Is it with your finger normally? Hello. Hello.
No, you put it on with a brush, honey.
All right.
Jeez. It's okay. You should feel silly for asking such a question.
All right.
So for $46, I got all this stuff. I got a Dr. Brandt product, I got a Becca product, a Smashbox product, and 2 Ace Beauty products. So I think.
This.
Oh, and the Chorus product. Holy crap! For $46, how many things is that? 6? 6 things. That's pretty impressive.
Yay!
Yay! So that was my good deal of the day. If you are a BOXYCHARM member, I would suggest just sign up for BOXYCHARM. It's amazing. It's $25 a month, and you get something pretty for yourself every month, Jason.
Well, that's good.
Jason doesn't get very many subscription choices because he's a man, but I do get him a nice underpant, sock, and t-shirt subscription.
And they're good quality.
They're good quality, and they match each other. So you should get them that soon. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to try and find the prices, and I'll put them somewhere on the screen. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, it would mean very much to me. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
It would mean a lot to me. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. Bye.